Hello, my name is Juan Pablo Tasco Sarmiento, the group number 40, Valuation and Negotiation of Technology, Step 3, Identify Technology Value. Present to Juan Carlos Amezquita, tutor, Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia UNAD Industrial Engineering Program, SEAD Bucaramanga, April Step 3, Identity Technology Value. Difficulties in valuing technology for transfer, lack of information on the market and the commercialization channels. Causes personnel is not trained, lack of knowledge in valuation methods, access to updated information, limit information. There are no channel web databases of easy access with marketing, fee control and surveillance process. Consequence. Disinterest in the market to innovate. There is no investment process to improvise access to information. Low credibility, less national and international competition. The projection in the industry is not improvised. Recommendation: keep a clear focus for the processes where you have of the information. Carve out new processes that improve current processes. Initiate investigation process in the areas, improve national and international marketing relationship. Thank you.